So have you ever wondered what sets successful people apart from the rest? Well, there are specific things that successful people implement in their daily routines. But one of the things I found among many of them and practices that I've personally used is utilizing some amazing tools on your phone. Yep, the device that you have right in your hand that you're most likely watching this video on, this same device can change your life if you know how to use it properly. Now I'm going to show you in this video exactly what apps you can use and what you can download today that will help you get to that level. As for myself, I've been using these apps on my journey to become successful, and I hope that they can help you as well. Hey friends, my name is J.I., and I make videos on the technology in our lives and how we can use them to make our lives easier. Now if that sounds good to you, let's get started. Let's talk about the first tool. This is the most important tool that I use on a daily basis and helps keep myself organized and accountable. The best part is that it's free. Notion is a productivity app that you can use to track almost anything in your life. Recipes, journals, goals, reading lists, shopping lists, budgets, habits, workouts, you name it. And you can also customize this to look however you want. The most important feature of Notion is that it allows you to organize projects based on status and schedule it. Notion as itself comes really bare bones, but gives you the versatility to create your own type of dashboard that suits your needs. For example, all of this, well, that didn't come with Notion. The ability to create a calendar and organize my YouTube videos didn't either. In fact, I grabbed this template off of a fellow content creator, Kanemitsu, so I didn't have to do all of the initial work. She has a great tutorial on how to use Notion that I'll link down in the description below, and she provides the same template that you see here. I won't go in depth on Notion because she does a really great job explaining everything, but I would highly recommend you use it if you want to organize your goals and your content for your business. It even works for just personal daily life. If you download Notion on your phone, your MacBook, and iPad, everything just syncs together and across all of your devices so you can pick it up no matter what device you use. Next up is Fiverr. Starting a business or trying to learn a new task is actually really tough. And especially if you're doing it alone. Trust me, I have been there. Before the internet, it was actually really hard to find human resources to help you in certain aspects of starting a business. For example, just starting a brand logo was hard, and finding a good, reliable graphics designer was even tougher. Fiverr is my go-to resource when it comes to outsourcing certain parts of my business that are not necessarily my strengths. And I'm okay with admitting that. I've used them several times for brand logos, product design, and even some production things that I can't really handle myself. The beauty of Fiverr is that you can use it for almost anything, from creating social media content, developing your brand identity, building a website, translating your copy, building an app. It's really all under one roof. The great thing is that you can also see the portfolio of potential hires and reviews on the individual to give you a better idea and understanding about how reliable they are. On the flip side, if you have a certain skill that you'd like to leverage and start making some money by providing that skill set to others, you can sign up for Fiverr as a seller and make money so easily. I'm going to put a link in the description down below that'll give you a great discount when signing up for Fiverr as a buyer or as a seller. So go ahead and check that out. If you prefer to do a lot of promotional material yourself for your business, including creating your own logo for free, you need to check out Canva. Now Canva is also completely free to use and can help you kickstart your business branding without you having to pay a cent to outsource. It's really super easy to use, and you can create all sorts of things from brand logos, flyers, banners, social media images, stories or videos, and even physical items like cards, calendars, and t-shirts. With the pro version of Canva, you can even plan your content similar to what Notion does, just a bit more simplified. I've also included a link for Canva in my description where you can sign up and take advantage of this tool today. It's worth noting that both Canva and Notion are using some incredible AI features to help create content a lot easier. So those are the three tools that you can use to ensure your success and build your own empire in an effort to be the top dog in your field, no matter what it is that you do. If you like this video, I would highly suggest you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and also let me know down in the comments below if you want to see more videos like this. I'd love to know what you use on a daily basis to achieve success. Hope you enjoyed this video. My name is J.I. Thank you for watching, and thank you for kicking it with me.